You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word with an interesting but confusing spelling for English speakers. This is French for mirror or mirror. How do you say mirror in French? Miroir is how we pronounce it in French. Miroir. See if you cannot pronounce the French well, I've got a video for you, so make sure you stay tuned, because you can learn a lot here on this channel. And you can say miroir, or miroir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.